In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram story on Visme. By the end, you'll know how to find the right starting point, customize it to match your message or brand, and elevate it with thoughtful visual touches so it looks polished and engaging. First, use Visme's search to find Instagram story templates. In the template library, type Instagram story into the search bar. This instantly narrows everything down to vertical, story-ready designs. If you see filters for style or industry, use them to match your vibe: minimal, bold, playful, or professional. You can hover to preview options and make sure the layout fits your content. Choosing a vertical format keeps your design optimized for mobile viewing and helps your text and visuals stay legible on small screens. Next, select the template you want. Think about your goal. Are you promoting an event, sharing a tip, or highlighting a product? Pick a template that naturally supports that message. Look at how the text is spaced and where images sit. If it feels clean and balanced at a glance, that's a good sign. Remember, simplicity often reads better and faster in a story format, so choose a design that won't overwhelm your audience. Now, edit the text, images, and colors to fit your story. Click any headline or caption and type in your message, keeping copy short and scannable. Use font weights to create hierarchy: bold for headlines, regular for supporting text. For color, stick to 2 or 3 tones that reflect your brand or mood and maintain strong contrast so text stays readable. Replace placeholder images by dragging in your own photos or illustrations, and crop or reposition them to highlight the most important subject. Consistency is key. Align elements and maintain even spacing so the story feels cohesive from top to bottom. Finally, add icons, animations, or graphics from the Assets panel. Open the panel, search for a relevant icon or illustration, and drop it into place to reinforce your message without clutter. If you add animations, keep them purposeful. Simple fades or slides work well and won't distract from your text. Set gentle timing so elements appear in a clear sequence and avoid over-animating every piece. A couple of well-timed motions can draw the eye exactly where you want it. Before you wrap, take a moment to scan your story for clarity. If everything reads quickly, visuals feel aligned, and the motion supports your message, you're set. That's how you create an Instagram story on Visme with confidence and style.